It's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block a hotspot user on iPhone. So before I start with the video, please subscribe to the channel. Now if you have your hotspot turned on, you will see these two things, or if you have an older iPhone you will see it at the top right where it says 5G and 73% of the battery. Now to block the user, you want to go to settings. Then you want to click on personal hotspot. From there, as you can see, my hotspot is turned on. Basically, you want to turn this off so that it's turned off. But if you have some users that you don't want to keep on hopping back, you simply want to change the password. So you would remove the password, enter new one, click on done, and that would be pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what is the problem down below. Also, if you're interested in Shopify, I have a trial in the description where you can get it for 1 month for $1.